Hi guys, be Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets. This is this is horrible. On bottom, for no liquidity. This thing went up, doom, 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 and down, and moving all around. It doesn't make any difference anymore. Um, SPY is correcting. Dow Jones, IWM, Qs, QHC. I think it only makes sense from transitioning strong with counter trend. It's annoying it didn't break me even. It's just super annoying. This thing they don't make sense. The puts, or I don't make any sense with them. Intel, it's more like this. It's gonna be break with a bigger volume on reaction bar. It's actual continuation of the trend now. This thing accumulates, hopefully. So does Apple. It would have break me even today. Doesn't matter. I made a mistake. I kept 0.5 as 4 minutes in the morning. Maybe I should follow the rule no trading in the first half an hour after I'm watching the markets, or at least like 20 minutes. Need to wake up first. Yeah, that would be all right, 0.5. But also in a day, in 2 days, it's closing. It looks like it's gonna close in correction. So here. That's gonna close in a break in a day. Wait, what's going on here? Yeah. Yeah, I think it's also on volume spring and yeah, it closes in correction in a day. So that's the trade I didn't take. That was an up thrust. It needed a test, unvolumed. Dun, 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 dun. Well, that was an enter then. That was an entry. Um, what can you do? What can I do? Da, da, da. Looks like it's gonna break. And also when it comes back to this 0.5, what sense does it make? Longer on this volume. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. Oh my god. This volume. Ba, 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 bum. Volume is not horrible, but the bar is strapped. Why do I not have 0.5 here? Beautiful 0.5. Boink. With volume. It's not bad. It's on the test now. Volume 2 bar spring minus. Boom. Trying to deal with this volume now, kind of like grinding it higher and higher and higher. Yeah. No, it's all right. It's all right. That is a weakness. I don't like this place on monthly, and yeah. Technically it's a level, but it's below 0.5. It's like 0.6, whatever is the Fibonacci. And then yeah, looks like an exhaustion volume a little bit. Looks better for a break other than for a. It's like 2 bars, so technically this bar is a part of this extremum. Locally, everything looks good. Everything checks out for a short. And then this volume comes in. I mean, absolutely like smaller volume. So everything here is beautiful, but monthly. And what was this, anyways? Anyways. It's a real volume, you guys. Yeah, interesting. Continuation of the trend. Oh, good. The biggest volume. This 19th of December sticks out like I don't know the name of the tree in English, but we have topol na plющихе. We have a saying in Russian, like some certain type of tree. I don't even know what plющихе is. Maybe some kind of bushes, like a tree around the bushes, surrounded by bushes. Um, yeah, that was good for like 5 minutes, but I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Mm-hmm. XLU. Boom. Powerful. Yeah. It's gonna be break. Keep in mind, never mind, that this is gonna be break. And this I don't want to jump ahead of the, not the jump, we call it to run ahead of the train. Don't run ahead of the train, in front of the train, ahead of the train. Yeah, jump in front of the train means like opposite to catching falling knives. But run in front of the train, we used to say for, trying to forecast or trying to expedite things that happen. And what's in the break? Since it's in the break, that's our 0.5. Yeah. Hey, wait. That's not what I meant. That's our 0.5. I mean, I think it's fair to chart this now. By the way, since we're in correction, this level still goes. Right panel is still more comfortable for me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, but look at the steel. Look at the steel. Boom. Where is it? Here. Here. It's a lot of where. Yeah, it's here as well. Hmm. It's evenly distributed or distributed. Hey Siri, distributed or distributed?
Distributed refers to something that is divided up or spread around. This is from vocabulary.com.
Thank you. So distributed. Wow. Distributed it is. Distributed. Unvolumed spring, however. So sad. Unvolumed spring. So that's where we are. This is where we are. And also, doesn't make sense. So now for hour, we need to pursue this 0.5. And it doesn't affect the minutes anyway. Minutes were here. Boom. My charting starts making more sense to me personally. Okay. It's now a tongue. You'll watch. Vodafone does its thing, continues in continuation of the trend. However, yeah, this is not a good thing. Correction, ladies and gentlemen, on MasterCard. Yeah. On volume spring. Costco starts a long awaited, highly anticipated correction. Long awaited, highly anticipated is this guy's Jeremy Newsom's pitch, his jingle. But yeah, he would start, probably still is starting his um, streams, his longly awaited, highly anticipated. La 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 la. Good stuff. I spent a couple months in his community. It wasn't. I needed more fundamental knowledge. So here I am. So here I am. Why is it a continuation of the trend? Yeah. Dun. Uh, now it looks differently. This is way more scary than this, I think. I don't know why. It just feels this way. Um, it's not continuation of the trend. It's yellow level. And actually all the things correspond. One down. The heck is this? Dun, 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 dun. Well, yeah. It's a balance, but it's unvolumed. It's gonna break. This thing is breaking tomorrow, unless it violently drops. And this is gonna be, believe me or not, uh, the test level, and that's the sign of strength level. This thing is going further, and it's gonna break here as well. So, you know, and markets are closed. Yeah, it's 19th. So, mm, so I don't think so. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a break. The biggest bar and reaction bar. It's continuation of the trend. It's gonna be a big day tomorrow. A lot of yearly levels to be watched. This is not bad. And it closes in correction. That's a done deal. And it has room to go. Believe me or not, this guy has a room to go. Yeah, 0.5 at 60. Anyone? This looks like it's gonna be a sign of strength. You know, and it's volumed. Um, Manipulation bar. One bar reversal unvolumed doesn't count because it's unvolumed, so neglectable. But yeah, yeah, it's it's in the middle of nowhere. Ooh, it goes higher. Ooh, it goes higher. the first bar. Yeah. This doesn't matter. And it closes in correction, but also closes in a break. Donk. Reaction bar has bigger volume. It's never a good sign. And this thing closes in correction. So it's correction now. So, but this level is just, it's been manipulated already and unvolumed. So that's a break, both on year and months. Yeah, it's a break. Especially since the market was so down in Russia today, and this thing just went up. Yeah. It's actually good in continuation of the trend. Not with this volume, no. It doesn't matter in the middle of nowhere. It's in the middle of nowhere, so we don't. And it's counter trend, so. I mean, vice versa, it's a trend volume. So definitely sign of some kind of correction, slow down, or potential reversal, but yeah, look. Oh my god. That's brutal. Yeah, I'll leave it where it is. This volume is like that. Break. Which doesn't mean we're not gonna have severe bar. Which doesn't mean we're not gonna have correction. But markets look good. Also, what happened here? It was going down, down, down. I think that would be fair to take this as a level in 0.5. Mm, This volume is, there is a volume, but it's minimal. But it's minimal. Yeah, it's something. And tomorrow is the last day. Markets are closed on 31st, right? They are. Or aren't they? I'm sure they are. It's only Misha who's productive on December 31st, which is who I am. Yeah, this volume is not impressive. From the last approach, though, it's good, definitely. Ever since here, it's good. Beep, 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 beep. Why don't we measure 4 and 5 from previous oh, it's not previous. Still good for D, isn't it? Yeah. Um, it's a good volume, but it's 19th of December also. Regardless, there's like a bunch of good volume around. Oops. Interesting. That's a break. That's a break. Assuming we have 1 day left. I see holidays. Uh, actually, no. Nice is closed. Is open. It's closed on January 1st. Maybe short day. Hi. Yeah, no. December 31st is a day, so maybe I'm a little bit too uh running ahead of the train. Oops. Because there is actually 2 days. 31st should be like at least a short day. Doesn't make sense otherwise. Doesn't make sense otherwise. But things can happen in 2 days. They can. Um, this list is too big. Come on, list. This is insane. We'll work it. Comes December 31st. So wow. Wednesday is an actual trading day. Surprise. Well, that was good for an hour, actually. Bump from 0.5. It bumped from 0.5. What was going on here anyway? That was the biggest thing. That's yeah. It's too tight though. It just like makes my eye hurt. Technically, it was good for 1 hour, and yeah, no, I just don't like it. I don't like it. It's good for counter trend with the tests. Some things. Same deal. Absolutely, literally similar. For an hour, it was good. Looks like it's gonna close and we are beyond the that's neglectable volume. But this was enough to like disqualify the whole thing, yeah. Russian squad. I want to eliminate like Russian stock from my thing, from my watch list. Goodness, I can do it like all day long. Just show a scary volume and then resume in the direction of the main trend, you know? Because why wouldn't it? Just scaring people off, making them stay away. Is it? Yeah, I'm not ready to tell that's the trick. It's like too stretched. I have to make some decisions. And it's a break. So even with 2 days left, like in all the reality, come on. Hey. So this is and this is I mean anything can happen. Oh, it's interesting because it looks even better like this. Oy. Wait. And point 5 is here. That's a different story. It's getting there. Oh, and it's counter trend, so no, thank you. Oracle is breaking. Tesla predicted by a stranger in my YouTube. There is no level. There is no transitioning shown. Oops. Just goes higher. Just goes higher. Needs levels. This looks like it's gonna break, but we're gonna wait for that to happen. Ew. Unvolumed. Yeah, and it's gonna break into these. And this weirdo is gonna be the well, of course it looks better in continuation of the trend, but realistically with this volume, it's just a sentence for any kind of long here. Says mission, put it on the watch list. It's just me. It's just me. Yeah, no, that's not a good level. This is a level. One bar rule. Back to square one. Continuation of the trend, by the way. And that closes the that closes. A transitioning strong, but the whole thing is way too close to main level. I think it's a one bar roll, so there's nothing here. Good break. What can I say? Same here. Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Now listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learning